We'll do a quick little walk around. These tracks here, they're brand new. Put them on about a week ago. Everything was greased once a week. This hood rattles. It just, nothing's wrong, it just rattles. The only thing I know that is wrong with the machine is this. It sticks sometimes. This pin probably just needs to be replaced, needs a new spring. When you drive it, there's no squeaking. All of the bearings are in good shape. The only thing we've had go wrong with this machine over the past couple of years is just random hydraulic hoses. We just put a new battery in it last week. It was serviced every 250 hours by the dealer. Everything works as it should. I don't have any hydraulic attachments, but all these work just fine.